Do you have trouble finding those Facebook posts, videos, or reels you save for later? Here is the quickest way to view all your saved items. First, open your Facebook app. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner. Tap on the Settings and Privacy and select Settings. In your Settings menu, scroll down past your account and preference settings until you reach your activity section. Tap on Activity Log to open your history. Tap on your Facebook activity to see more options. Scroll down through the list until you find Saved Items and Collections and tap on that button. Tap on the Your Saved Items button. And there it is. You can now browse all the posts, reels, and collections you have saved on Facebook. That is how you access your saved content. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Peace.